On to some other news that's breaking this minute. 8 people have lost their lives in Andhra Pradesh after consuming spurious liquor that was mixed with sanitizer. Now, after consuming the sanitizer-laced liquor, the victims fell unconscious. 5 of the victims died on the way to the hospital and 3 died in the hospital. This is an incident that has been reported from Andhra Pradesh, where there are 8 deaths that have been reported after there was spurious liquor in which the liquor was mixed with sanitizer that resulted in their death. Let me bring in my colleague Pramod for further updates on this. Pramod, what more details can you share with us about this incident? Has any kind of probe been ordered to find out the origin of the spurious liquor? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Pramod in just a bit. But the victims there consumed this liquor that was laced with sanitizer. And 5 of those victims died on the way to the hospital. 3 died while they were in the hospital. So a total of 8 have died after drinking this sanitizer-laced liquor. This entire incident is coming from Prakasam in Andhra Pradesh. Now, more details are awaited as to what is the probe that has been ordered to find out the origin of this liquor and who is really responsible for this. But this is a very unfortunate incident that has taken place, in which 8 people have lost their lives in Andhra Pradesh after they consumed spurious liquor, and this was mixed with sanitizer. Now, after consuming this sanitizer-laced liquor, these victims fell unconscious. 5 of the victims died, and on the way to the hospital, 3 others died at the hospital. Let me bring in my colleague Pramod for further updates on this. Pramod, what more details can you share with us about this entire incident? How did this take place? How did these people manage to get this liquor, and what is the origin of this?
Well, it seems like this location, the deaths have occurred around a temple called as Polarama, which is at Kutchedu and Darsi. Both locations in Prakasam district have been declared as containment areas after the number of COVID positive patients have been increasing recently. So what has occurred is that in the recent times, there were no availability of liquor over there, and that's the reason now, police are also trying to investigate what exactly happened. Was this a kind of a case of liquor, country-made liquor mixed with sanitizer, or did these people just had sanitizer? Because what they have found from that area is that empty sanitizer bottles, and apparently just as we have reported from Tamil Nadu as well, there have been instances where people have mixed sanitizer with water, believing it that on the label it would have said 60% alcohol, 70% alcohol, but that was ethyl alcohol, ethanol, and that they have consumed. Apparently one of the persons who were taken to the hospital has also mentioned earlier before he died that they had consumed alcohol, and the shocking part is that from Thursday there were several deaths, but in just one incident, 7 people have died, and that's the reason currently police are trying to investigate what exactly had happened now.
All right, Pramod, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those breaking updates.